Hi, this is Manu Santhanam, professor at IIT Madras, and I'm here with Professor Richard Buswell from Loughborough University in the UK, who's one of the leading experts in the world in concrete 3D printing. And it's indeed fantastic for us to have him here for this TLC2 workshop. So, Richard, just wanted to get your thoughts on your opinion about having a center like this that works on low carbon and lean construction.
Thanks, Manu. So, obviously, construction we have to make. It's a huge consumer of materials, huge producer of CO2, and so centres like this are critical if we're going to make new developments in materials to be able to make. And if I'm making a right mess of my answer, could we start again?
You can start again. No problem. Maybe I'll start asking the question. I'll ask the question once again also. We'll repeat this one. Yeah.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Stage fright. This is very scary. Sorry.
No problem. So, Richard, welcome to India, and we welcome you to this TLC2 workshop. What are your thoughts on the Center of Excellence on Technologies for Low Carbon and Lean Construction, and what could be the potential impacts of this kind of a center on the practices adopted in concrete construction?
I think concrete construction is a huge user of concrete, which is a big user of resources and generator of CO2. And so centres like this are critical if we're able to move the material science forward in a way that's going to make some significant impact for society.
One of the aspects that we want to do here is to try and see how technology could be used in a positive way to bring about sustainability. From that perspective, what are your thoughts on automation in construction and the impact it could have on sustainable construction practices?
So I think combined with tackling the issues to do with the materials themselves, then we need to, I think, move much more closely to developing processes of manufacturing and producing construction elements that have more systematized, they're automated, which means we can have more control. And I think we'll be able to work similar to manufacturing, car manufacturing. We'll be able to make significant gains to make those manufacturing processes more efficient, produce better quality components, and also shorten procurement time. So, having buildings taking less time to be produced, I think, are all key values, which is where I think automation has a big role to play.
Sure. And this is your first visit to India, I presume?
It's my second main visit. I was here over 20 years ago as a tourist, but this is my first big working trip here.
Okay. Yes. So what are your initial thoughts about your time here at Chennai?
It's a wonderful city. I was able to get out yesterday and have a really good walk around and went down to the beach and took in some sights. But, it's vibrant, colourful and exciting. It's an amazing place.
Fantastic, Richard. It's wonderful to have you here. Hope you enjoy the rest of your stay.
I'm sure I will, Manu. Thank you very much.
Bye.
Is that okay?